Hello everyone, this is Photoshop challenge number 2 from my Photoshop class, and so we will get started with Photoshop. Click on create new. We'll start on custom. Always just go with 2000, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to create it. Alrighty, and now I'm going to go to, well, image already have my canvas size. Okay, awesome. And then also, I'm going to open another file. Haha, here we go. So here's my other file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this so I can grab these ends. That crops the image. Anyways, the challenge for this assignment today is a photo album, no, not a photo, an album cover for a band that you like. And the band that I chose is Two Door Cinema Club. They have a pretty good album. One of their major songs, Something Good Could Work for You. And then I Can Talk is a really good song. It's the same song on that album. Okay, so now I'm going to cut around here on my image. Well, hold on. Okay, hit the minus here. Try to get it to understand what I'm trying to do. Perfect. I want that ear to be pretty sharp. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go there. Alright, awesome. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit select, subject, hit OK. And then what's going on here? And then I'm going to hit this box called add a mask. I'm going to clean it up just a little bit more. Alright, perfect. Now that I have my image, I hit the select tool. I'm going to select him. And then I can come onto here. And boom, there he is. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make him bigger. Because for this album, doing this. Alright. I'm going to put him on the bottom here. Just like that. Okay, so hit alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit File. Hit Place Embedded. Going to go to my image that I want. This one here. And now I hit Shift. I'm going to try to make this as big as I can make it. Right, awesome. So I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to place this over that. Nice. And I can make him bigger like that. Perfect. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place another image. So I'm going to hit place embedded. Photoshop. Two Door Cinema Club. Here's their logo. See how you can snap it in just like that. Where these other lines help you see if it's in line with something. That's the advantage of the snap feature. Okay, so I place my image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eraser tool, which is fun. I have to rasterize my image first. Then I can start to do as I please with this. This isn't gonna... This isn't gonna look too whack. Now, this is blocky because I'm using a block size for the eraser. So don't worry. I am going to fix it. Make it look a little bit neater. It's looking alright so far. So the reason why I like Two Door Cinema Club is I really like their drums and the beat of their songs. A lot of their songs, you know, the drum just goes. It's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to change this eraser from a block to pencil. And here, this is where I can use some finer lines. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. So I kind of like the white inside the letters here, because it's a different look. I think the white brings out the black letters on there. Even that rugged look is actually okay. Because they have lots of different ways they present their words on their albums. Alright, so there's that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place a rectangle here. Because I see a Wendy's sign in the corner, and that's not good. So let's see if we can just block that out. There we go. Well, I'm going to have to redo that again because I just ran into my picture. Or no. Never mind. I can just put that rectangle behind my other picture. Here, just move this up. Almost. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. I'm going to place another image. This is just going to be like an effect, kind of. It's kind of common that in their albums you see some sort of light shining somewhere, so that's what I'm kind of doing with this. So let's see, I placed it there. It's like, oh no, I messed it up, right? So I hover my mouse over it and hit Control T, and then it selects that. Then I can move it. So that's helpful there. It snaps right in the corner. Perfect. Alright, so hit OK. And I'm going to leave that sharp edge there, just like that, because I believe that's something that they do sometimes also. Here, I'm going to write some text down in here. I'm going to come up with an album name. Pretty sure they have a song called... Oh, okay. The words might be too big here. Okay, so let's make this smaller. Yeah, I'm still gonna have to make that smaller. Hold on. 20, 30? Oh, that's perfect. Right there. Ah. I like it. I like it. Alright. So I changed this. Alright. What else can I show you? I've got this image here, the cat. Got the background. Got this image, got some text. I think we are done for today. Okay. So I'm going to hit File. I'm going to save this. Save as. I'm going to save as a Photoshop file first. I'm going to call it Fundamentals of Digital Media Homework -4. As a programmer, I try to name things in succession to one another. Kind of a boring name. Okay, hitting OK there. And then File. And then I'm going to hit Save again. And then I'm going to save this as a JPEG file. I'm going to save it as the same name. Fundamentals of Digital Media Homework 4. My initials. Okay. Alright, well thank you for watching this video. I hope it worked out alright for you. I hope you learned some things from Photoshop. I will continue to work on this program to get better, but I'm feeling pretty good about this. Alright, well, have a good day everyone. This has been fun. This is James Davis. This is the end of the tutorial session. Alright, bye-bye.